Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how LPG gas cylinders are filled, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
After us. In our facility, LPG pressure and flow are precisely controlled at every stage, ensuring maximum.
To ensure safety, LPG pressure and flow are precisely controlled by automated systems throughout the storage and filling process.
Every cylinder is filled with exact precision to ensure safety and reliability.
Cognitive Heckensensistei Sug short Caprili Som Quatai, Nipgundi Sudantes, Vanisram Tilchik Anija Haiti.
Every cylinder is thoroughly tested before leaving the facility.
And that's how LPG gas cylinders are filled o colas, from start to finish.